warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. So before I want to explain about my project poster, let me to introduce about myself first. My name is Arum Satria Pertiwi. You can call me Arum or Satria or Tiwi, just so up to you. And I'm from Public Speaking Class G. In this opportunity, I would like to explain about my project poster that have title is Reduce the Spread of COVID by Vaccination. So, before I want to explain about the main point, especially in my project poster, let me to explain about what is a COVID-19. As we know, COVID-19 is a virus that comes from Wuhan, Tiongkok. And COVID-19 is a virus that's very dangerous for everyone. So from here, we should do something such as we should use masks, we should wash hand and use hand sanitizer, and that's very important is we should do or get vaccination. Why I say like that? Because the vaccinations is a very important to do, especially in pandemic COVID-19. Okay, next let me to explain about my project poster. You can see in here, in my project poster, I have 4 parts. The first part is the concept of the project, and the second part is the proposals and solutions. The third part is materials and methods, and the last one is key results and conclusions. So, for the first, I want to explain about the first part. The first part is concept of the poster. The concept of this project is to reduce the spread of COVID-19 by vaccination. In my opinions, vaccination is a very important to do, especially in pandemic COVID-19, because from vaccination we not infected with COVID virus, or I mean coronavirus. And the second part is purpose and solutions. You can see on my project poster in here the purpose and solutions. COVID is a virus that comes from Wuhan, Tiongkok. In addition, COVID is a dangerous and deadly virus. So to reduce the spread of COVID-19 is important. There are many various methods to reduce the spread of COVID-19, and one of which is vaccinations. The purpose of the vaccinations are to increase the body's immune system, to reduce the mortality rate due to infections with the coronavirus, and to encourage the formations of herd immunity. So from the purpose and solution part, we know about the importance of vaccination. So we should get vaccination. And the third part is material and methods. The materials needed in this project are vaccinations and the people. One of the strategies to launch this vaccinations program is before the vaccination process takes place, the people will be first recorded by health workers. After the data collection is complete, the people can vaccinate at the nearest hospital or health center. The implementations of these vaccinations might take a long time. This is because there is a prohibition against gathering. So the best strategy is to collect community data first. So guys, before you do vaccination, you should have some report with health workers, because vaccination is very important for everyone, guys. Okay, next I want to explain about the last part, and the last part of my project presentations, I mean my project poster, is key result and conclusions. You can see in here about this part. The result of the project have been effective in reducing the spread rate of COVID-19. It seems that since vaccinations, the rate of coronavirus has declined and the death rate of those infected with COVID-19 has declined. But it is still not maximum. Why it can be like that? Because there are many people who don't want to be vaccinated. They don't want to vaccinate because they are afraid of rumors circulating after a vaccinations, such as a vaccination cause people die, can cause someone that infected COVID-19, and many other. So from here, socialization about COVID-19 is important and should be implemented so that we all can be free of the coronavirus. Yeah guys, from this part, I think this part is a very true, because right now many people be afraid when they want to vaccine. Why they afraid? Because they often hear about the rumor of vaccination. They usually hear about the rumor such as after vaccination people can die, and after vaccination people can infected corona. But it is wrong, guys. It is wrong. But from vaccination we can be free from coronavirus. So let's do vaccination. Don't forget to vaccination, ya guys. So from here I think my explanation today is enough, and I'm so sorry if I have some mistake, especially in my pronunciations. And from the last essay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.